Minifigure Monday is a new thing I'm going to try by doing every Monday, where I show you guys how to make a minifigure that LEGO has not made yet out of your own LEGO parts from minifigures that you might have. So yeah, let's get right into it. First up, we got Wicked. Wicked, it has been featured in the new WandaVision series that is airing right now at the time of recording this. And the newest episode is the one at the when it's Halloween. So I basically made his Halloween costume into a real costume for his character, the best I could at least. So now let's see how I made this minifigure in the first place. Okay, so I made this guy while using one of my old Thor, the Thor from the Infinity War sets. That won't focus, but... And then I used this guy's cape from the LEGO Batman movie minifigure series to make that. And then I just used some power pieces to make it look like he's using magic more, and just used regular black messy kind of hair to fit his hair piece. And yeah, basically that's how you make Wicked from WandaVision, just a little bit older and more professional looking for his costume. So yeah, that's Wicked, and I will do another one now. So I'll be back real quick. Okay, so this here is supposed to represent Vision, but like an older kind of LEGO style version of him from his older form that he took. Like just like his business attire from the WandaVision show. So yeah, we have the hair piece that looks like and represents him in the show. And yeah, I got it in the LEGO Ninjago movie minifigure pack for Lord Garmadon, when he has like his kind of not futuristic, but he is trying to... He has like a suit on basically. So yeah, like a pioneer kind of version of him. But yeah, and then I used President Business's suit from the original LEGO movie that I got in the double-decker couch set way back then. And I just used random sunglasses because it just seemed like what you would do for that. And I think it turned out quite good. So yeah, this is my Vision minifigure that I customly made, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I might post another one of these minifigure things sometime later this week, because I have 2 more already done, and I just can't figure out what this guy's name is. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, that would be awesome. And I will hopefully see you next time. So yeah, my power went out. So, yay! I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm gonna put this in the video if I can. So, yay, our power went out. That's fun.